Architecture today is no longer limited to walls and structures. It is evolving into a world of intelligence, sustainability, and smart living. From responsive environments to intelligent building systems, the future of architecture is being shaped by technology and innovation. Therefore, I would like to welcome you to this journey where futuristic ideas meet real world applications. So, hello everyone. I am Professor P.S. Chani from the Department of Architecture and Planning, IIT Roorkee. Academically, I work in the area of modern architecture. I teach modern architecture, both Indian and Western. But in terms of research, I work in the area of cutting edge kinetic facades. I work in user-centered response. I work with the concept of material passports right now, and many other things within the ambit of my built environment lab. It also gives me great pleasure to introduce this NPTEL online certification course titled Intelligent and Smart Buildings in the Context of Futurist Architecture, offered jointly by IIT Roorkee and NIT Hamirpur. The course has been designed to explore the evolving relationship between architecture, technology, sustainability, and intelligent building systems in the context of future-ready built environments. To introduce the course in detail, I would now like to invite my co-instructor, Dr. Venushree, who is an assistant professor from the Department of Architecture at NIT Hamirpur, who will take you through the vision, the structure, and key learning outcomes of this course.
Thank you, sir. I'm Dr. Venushree, Assistant Professor in the Department of Architecture at NIT Hamirpur, Himachal Pradesh. I'm delighted to introduce our course titled Intelligent and Smart Building in the Context of Futuristic Architecture. This course is offered through NPTEL, an initiative of the Ministry of Education, Government of India. This course explores the foundation of futuristic architecture and its transformation into intelligent and smart building systems. This course introduces the visionary idea of Antonio Santella and futurist movement, followed by detailed discussion on building automation system, IoT, AI-driven building management, BIM, digital twin, smart HVAC systems, intelligent lighting, security systems, and sustainable architecture design. This course aims to help learners understand how modern technologies are reshaping architecture and the built environment. Students will gain knowledge about intelligent building systems, energy efficient design strategies, human comfort, sustainability, and future-oriented architecture approaches. This course is designed for undergraduate students, postgraduate students, and PhD students in architecture and related disciplines. It spans for 8 weeks and includes video lectures, weekly assignments, and case studies related to intelligent buildings and futuristic architecture. I invite you all to join this exciting journey into the future of intelligent and smart buildings. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us.